Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 22nd November 2024. We'll dive into the latest happenings involving Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. The content here reflects news items in public media and does not represent our opinions. Researchers from Queensland University of Technology have published a working paper suggesting that since Elon Musk's acquisition of X, formerly Twitter, the platform has developed an algorithmic bias favoring conservative content. This shift reportedly began on July 13, 2024, coinciding with Musk's endorsement of Donald Trump. The study highlights a structural engagement shift that disproportionately boosted right-wing accounts compared to left-leaning ones. Despite this, X has seen a user exodus to platforms like Blue Sky. Elon Musk has announced plans to summon UK members of Parliament to the United States in response to their intention to call him to testify about X's role in spreading disinformation during UK riots. Musk criticised the UK government's actions, claiming they infringe on free speech rights. This situation underscores the complexities of regulating social media and the responsibilities of platforms in managing content. Elon Musk has reportedly become the top player in the world for the video game Diablo 4, achieving a sub-2 run in Pit 150. His record-breaking time has sparked curiosity and skepticism, especially due to a recent bug that allowed players to significantly increase their health. The gaming community is left puzzled by Musk's achievement. An article discusses the apparent hypocrisy of commentators who previously expressed concerns about collusion between the White House and social media companies. With Trump's return to the White House and Musk's ownership of X, these concerns seem to have vanished. The piece highlights the irony of Musk's actions, such as banning a reporter, which mirrors the censorship they once decried. Elon Musk, as part of President-elect Donald Trump's proposed Department of Government Efficiency, is considering developing a free tax filing app. This initiative aims to streamline the tax process amidst plans to cut federal spending. However, experts warn of the challenges in creating software capable of navigating the complex US tax code. Tesla is hiring remote workers with salaries up to $270,000, open to applicants globally. The initiative aims to enhance Tesla's workforce by attracting talent passionate about technology and innovation. Positions include roles in AI and engineering, offering competitive compensation and flexible work environments. A Senate hearing raised concerns over national security risks posed by American tech companies operating in China, focusing on Elon Musk's business ties. Senator Richard Blumenthal emphasized the risks of Musk's companies like Tesla, SpaceX, having substantial operations in China, potentially influencing US interests. The court case between Elon Musk and Sam Altman has led to the release of emails from OpenAI's early days. These emails reveal discussions about AI development, compensation strategies, and Musk's concerns about AI misuse. Musk's departure from OpenAI marked a significant turning point in its governance. Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy have announced plans for significant reductions in the US federal workforce as part of the Department of Government Efficiency. Their proposal emphasizes slashing federal regulations and reducing government spending, sparking discussions about the potential impacts on government services. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered. Join us next time for more updates on Elon Musk and his ventures. Until then, stay informed and take care.